This is Taco. It's first week in our house, and he's such a great boy. He adjusted the first day, and we're doing food aggression test with him. Usually we only give dry dog food at home, but to do the test, we put a lot of yummy dog canned food, so this way we could accurately test for food aggression. So excited to eat. Poor dog was starving on the street, and as you can tell, he's a very super great temperament dog. Tail, ears, pull legs, do anything, put your fingers in the bowl. Walk around, take the football away from him. Okay, we just let him eat. Good boy. And you try to put your fingers in the bowl. Okay, good boy. No food aggression at all. Very good boy. Super good temperament. And a handsome boy. Super good. Good boy, Taco. We're gonna find your loving home, okay? Good boy.